Hello viewers. Since from the advent of coronavirus in 2019, today also we are facing some panic-like situations. Still, we are suffering from the effects of different types of variants such as Omicron. So, WHO, what it says about Omicron? Let's discuss about something. So, on 26th of November 2021, WHO designated the variant B.1.1.529 a variant of concern named Omicron on the advice of WHO's Technical Advisory Group on Virus Evolution. The decision was based on the evidence presented to TAG-VE that Omicron has several mutations that may have impact on how it behaves, for example, on how easily it spreads or the severity of illness it causes. Let us discuss about some current knowledge about Omicron. Researchers in South Africa and around the world are conducting studies to better understand many aspects of Omicron and will continue to share the findings of these studies as they become available. Transmissibility. It is not clear whether Omicron is more transmissible as compared to the variants like Delta. The number of people testing positives has risen in South Africa affected by variants, but epidemiologic studies are underway to understand if it is because of Omicron or other factors. Severity of disease. WHO, it doesn't say yet it's clear whether the infection of Omicron causes more severe disease compared to infections with other variants including Delta. But preliminary data suggests that there are increasing rates of hospitalization in South Africa. It is due to increasing overall numbers of people becoming infected rather than the result of specific infection with Omicron. There is currently no information to suggest that symptoms associated with Omicron are different from those other variants. Effectiveness. Preliminary evidences suggest there may be an increased risk of reinfection with Omicron as compared to other variants of concern, but information is limited. More information on this will be available in the coming days or weeks. Effectiveness of vaccine. WHO is working with technical partners to understand the potential impact of the variant on the existing countermeasures, including vaccines. Vaccines remains critical in reducing severe disease and deaths, including against the dominant variant. When vaccines remain effective against severe disease and death. Effectiveness of current tests. The widely used PCR tests continue to detect infection, including infection with Omicron, as we have seen with the other variants as well. The studies are ongoing to determine whether there is any impact on any types of tests, including rapid antigen detection test. Effectiveness of current treatment. Corticosteroids and IL-6 receptor blockers will be more effective for managing patients with severe COVID-19. Other treatments will be assessed to see if they are still effective due to changes to a part of virus of Omicron variant. Lastly, recommendation actions for people. The most effective steps individuals can take to reduce the spread of COVID-19 virus is to keep the physical distance of at least 1 meter from others, wearing a well-fitted mask, open windows to improve ventilations, avoid poorly ventilated or crowded spaces, keep hands clean, cough or sneeze into the band, elbow or tissues, and get vaccinated whenever it's your turn. Thanks for watching this video and hope it will add some value to your life. If you feel it's good, you share it, like it, comment it on this video. I'll make more videos on this one. Thank you. Vande Mataram. Jai Hind.